In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream movies on Stremio. Stremio is a fantastic media center application that simplifies the way you watch movies, TV shows, and more, whether you're a new user or just looking to refine your streaming experience. This guide will help you navigate Stremio with ease so you can enjoy your favorite films in no time. First things first, open the Stremio app on your device. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Don't worry if you don't have an account yet. Simply create one by following the sign-up process highlighted on the app. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your gateway to an ever-expanding library of content. On the main screen of Stremio, cast your eyes to the top of the interface where you'll see a handy search bar. This is your key to uncovering the movie you want to watch. Type in the title of the film that piques your curiosity. Stremio will immediately go to work, filtering through its vast selection of titles to find a match. Within moments, you should see suggestions appearing below the search bar. Once you've spotted the movie you're interested in, click on the movie's poster. This action will take you to the details page, where a treasure trove of information awaits. Here you'll find the movie's synopsis, its genre, the cast involved, and viewer ratings, all neatly presented to give you a comprehensive overview of your selection. Now let's discuss an important part of the streaming process, choosing a stream source. As you navigate this section, you'll see a list of stream sources. These sources are essentially the pathways that allow you to watch your chosen movie. It's worth mentioning that the availability of these sources is influenced by the add-ons you have installed. Add-ons are like plugins that integrate additional streaming services into Stremio. They enhance your viewing options by giving you access to more sources. When you face the list of available sources, take a moment to decide which one to use. Some sources might stream in higher quality, while others might load quicker. Feel free to experiment with different streams if one doesn't quite meet your needs. Simply select a stream source by clicking it, and let Stremio handle the rest. The app will make the connection, and your movie should start playing shortly thereafter. In conclusion, Stremio is a user-friendly application that opens up a world of cinematic enjoyment with just a few clicks. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily navigate through Stremio's platform and enjoy endless